You want to be a bartender, but you're worried that bartending school might be a waste. You're worried that you won't be able to memorize all those drink recipes. You're having trouble finding a bartending job with no restaurant experience. Bartending is more than just a job. It's a skill set and a career. I want to teach you everything you need to know to go out there and get a rockstar bartending job. So I am creating an online space where I can offer you classes, free training materials, and even in-person instruction. So please show your support by heading over to my website and joining the Rockstar Bar Girl mailing list. As a thank you, I'm giving everyone who joins exclusive access to my first free online class. This video won't be available on YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere else, and I'm really excited to share it with you. Thanks for joining. Bye, Rockstars.
I'm a rock star.